Hey friends, we're so excited to have you join us. I want to show you this box called The One Who Comforts. And you know, for all of us, life can really hurt sometimes, and especially for kids in your care, they've been through more than their share. And so this box is a way for you to encourage them that God is the God of all comfort. And we'll be looking at 4 different ways, 4 different lessons on how we can experience God's comfort in the painful times of life. When you get your box, you'll find that you'll get a lesson book that has 4 short lessons, real easy to teach. You'll get these cards, a set for each child, and then you'll get 4 envelopes that have everything you need for the crafts for those lessons. The crafts actually teach the lesson, so they're a really important part, and as we all know, people learn better with hands-on learning, and so that's why those are included. We also have visuals included in each box. So in this first lesson, it's God comforts through His promises, and we have a little matching game that will help them understand that. It's a fun way for them to understand that God comforts them through His promises. But also, there is a link in here for a storybook with our animated characters in it. If you have Wi-Fi, you can link on and read them the storybook. Then you will have the Bible story, which is about Joshua. And Joshua had a lot of hurt in his past. He was going through a lot of hurt at the time that Moses had died, who was his best friend and mentor. And then he had a lot of challenges for his future. And so God came to him and comforted him through His promises. And so we'll be looking at that story. And then each child will be making a little bank like this. It's got a hole in the top for them to put their coins in. They'll receive these coins that have promises on them. And then the really fun thing is they can use the markers we provide to decorate their bank. And so they put them together like these. They're really easy to assemble, and then they decorate it. Let them have a lot of fun with that and be really creative. And then the point is that God's promises are a great resource that we can draw from every day. They're our riches. Just like you would put money in a bank and then you draw it out, we can draw out His promises. So that's the point of the lesson. It's a really fun, powerful lesson. Thanks.